about to win the ultimate board game match. You reach for the dice. It's gone! Ack! Hidden under the couch forever! Oh no, oh no, oh no! Where is it? My dice is gone! We can't play without a dice. Aw, don't cry, Chip. We don't need that old dice at all. I know a little secret. We can build our very own dice using this tiny computer. This is called a microbit. We just tell it, when you shake me, pick a random number from 1 to 6. Wow. Just like a real dice. But wait, how do we build the code? I don't know how yet. Don't worry, Chip. Our friend is going to show us step by step. Watch closely, everyone. Let's learn it together.
Let's go to the browser where we search Microsoft Make Code. We click on the first link from there, and here's the home page. Click on New Project from it. We will give the name to our project. I'm keeping dice for it. You can also give the same. Let's create it now. And here's the page where we are going to make our code. So we don't need onStart and forever, so I deleted it. Then we need to go to the input from where we get on button E pressed block. And then we are going to go to variable to create a new variable. I'm creating the variable name as choice. Then we get 3 new blocks. We'll use set choice to 0 from it. Then we go to the math. For getting a block, pick random 1, 2, 6. Here we are setting the range 1 to 6 because we have 6 faces on our dice. Then we write the conditions for it. Here's the time for the condition. We get it into the logic and we get the first block from there. Then we go there again and we get the comparison block. Again, we have to go to the variables. We'll get the small choice block. We put it at the place of 0 and the second 0 would becomes 1. Now this time to show one LED blinking on the microbit just to represent the one number of the dice. We click on the plus icon which is present over there and we get some new conditions over there. As same as we did for the first condition, for the else, I'm going to clear the whole screen. Then I'm duplicating the block choice equal 1 and I'll change number 1 to number 2 this time. As soon as I change it, I also have to duplicate my LEDs block and I will change that 1 LED to 2 LED this time. Similarly, I'm going to do for all the 6 conditions in the same way. So let's do it together. We'll be making sure that whichever the number we are using, we also blink the same number of LEDs on the microbit, just to make it most accurate. So I'm doing the same and this is my full code. Right now I'm using the button E. If you want any other thing, any other gestures, we can do it. Now what I'm doing is, when I press the button E, it's going to show me the LED, right? So you can see over here, it's showing me the LEDs and this is how it's working as same as our dice. We can also make some more changes in it just to make it more precise and works exactly same like a LED. So I'm also showing you that here we can also change the buttons, but instead of changing the buttons, I'm using on shake. Inside the on shake, now I'm using the whole code. So whenever I'm shaking the microbit, this time on shaking the microbit is going to show me the different numbers on it exactly as same as the dice. So here's our dice is ready.
Shake 5! It landed on 5! I made a real dice, all by myself! You did it! We did it! I have my very own dice now! And great job! Now you try it at home. Shake your microbit and roll the dice. If you had fun, hit subscribe!